Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss some of the formatting features about Microsoft Excel. Various formatting features about Microsoft Excel we have already learned in our previous video. We are discussing some of the additional formatting features right now. First one is insert the row. Suppose I want to insert the row between this third and fourth row, that is above my fourth row, and after my third row I want to insert any row, then just I go to this cell and press right click from my mouse. Here you will find the insert. Just click on the insert. You will select here entire row. Again, when you select entire row and press OK, you will find my row gets inserted. Another way is using this shortcut Alt plus I plus R. So I am keeping my cursor on this cell and pressing Alt I R from my keyboard, you will find that my row gets inserted. So in this way you can use the insert row function. You can also insert the row from here by clicking here. Here you will find that insert cell, insert sheet row, insert sheet column, etc. Next one is insert the column. Suppose I want to insert the column here, then I just press right click from my mouse. Here I will find the insert button. I will select here entire column and press OK. You will find that one more column is inserted. I can also insert my column by pressing Alt I C from my keyboard. You will find that one more column is inserted. You can also insert the column by clicking here under the home tab. By clicking on the insert, here you will find insert sheet column. So again the column is inserted. Next one is delete. Here you will find the delete. If you want to delete any row, just click on the particular row and right click here. Here you will find the delete option. Just click on the delete. You will find the row gets deleted. If you want to delete a particular column, then just click on the particular column and press right click from your mouse and click on the delete. You will find the column gets deleted. Further, you can also delete by pressing under the home tab here the delete option. Here you will find the delete sheet row. So my row in which delete data is appearing is deleted. Here you will find 6 number row. This is deleted. After that 7 number is blank, and after that format cell is written. Again when I click on this search delete row, you will find that whole row is deleted. Suppose I want to delete the column, then click here delete sheet column. You will find that my column gets deleted. You can also delete the column by pressing here right click with mouse and select here delete and select entire column. You will find the entire column gets deleted. So in this way you can delete or insert sheet, column, row, etc. You can insert the sheet by pressing here. Again when you press here, another sheet will inserted. Or if you want to delete this sheet, just right click here and click on the delete. Sheet gets deleted. If you want to rename this set, just click here, click on the rename. Here you will find the cursor and here you can write the name of your sheet. If you want to change the tab color of this sheet, then just go to the format. Here you will find the tab color. You just click on the particular color. You will find that the tab color of my cell is changed. Next, you can also format your row height as well as the column width. If I want to increase my row heights, say for example here this is my row height, I just go here and I select row height. Here I can write my row height. You will find that my row height gets increased. Suppose I am writing here 50, you will find that my row height gets increase. Suppose I want to increase my column width, then go here. Here I will write 25. You will find that my column width get increased. So in this way, you can increase as well as decrease your row heights as well as the column widths. Next, format cell by right click. You can format the cell by clicking on the various options given under your home tab, which we have already discussed in our previous video. You can also format cell by or format data by clicking here. Here there are various options: row height, column height, add extra, rename sheet, add extra, where various options are given. However, you just select your data and select right click from your mouse. After selecting data, press right click from your mouse. Here you will find insert option for the purpose of inserting row, column, etc. Delete option for the purpose of deleting data, row, column, etc. Here you will find the format cell option. So I just go to the format cell option. Here you will find alignment. Alignment we have already discussed in our last video. This is the alignment. Here there is a wrap text, merge cell, which we have already discussed in our last video. Third one is the font type, font size, bold, italic, underline, which we have already discussed in the last video. This is the formatting tool, but this is the another way in which you can formatting the data by pressing the right click from your mouse. For the purpose of creating border, just go to the border, select here any border and press OK. You will get the border, or you can also change the border from here. Next, fill. You can change your background color, font color, add extra from here. The search background color is also changed by clicking right click and pressing on the fill. You will find here the background color option. Now next one is the number format. Here this is the cell. I just press right click here and click on the format cell. Here you will find the number. This is the general cell. If I want to convert into the any another format, then I just click on the particular format. Same for example, I have written here the date and I want to convert in a number format. I will go and I click here number. You will find that my date is converted into the number format. I can again go to the format cell and click on the date. You will find that the number got converted into the date. Next is the custom format. If I want to customize my format of the data written in the date, I just click on the custom. Here you may write, same for example, I will write 3M and dash between E and 2DD. So you will find my date will be written in this format. Before it will written 4/7/2011. As and when I change my custom format, you will find date in this format. Next one is the text format. If I want to change my number format to the text format, then I can change it. If I want to write something like a 0350618, you will find that this 0 is removed. But I convert my cell into the text format, same for example, by clicking right click, click on the format cell and I click here text. So my cell gets converted into the text format. Now if I write 0350618, you will find that 0 will remain. Here 0 will done away. So in this way you can use a text format. You can also change the format by pressing or selecting any column or row. If I am selecting this column and selecting format cell, and here I am selecting a number format, you will find all my column data will be converted into the number format. If I am selecting this row, say for example I am selecting this row and change my format cell option, and here suppose I am selecting the number format. If any data is appearing having a numeric value, it will be converted into the number format. So in this way you can format your cells, row and column in your Microsoft Excel. Thank you.